It's already been a very active severe weather season, and we're going to continue to break down the 2023 tornado activity we've seen so far and compare it with just last year. Now, a PDS tornado warning. What exactly is that? Well, it stands for a particularly dangerous situation. What does that mean for you, the viewer? Well, these are going to be issued whenever there's going to be violent, long-track tornadoes that pose a large threat to life or property. Last year, the National Weather Service issued 91 of them. So far, we've already seen 65 of them issued. Now, when it comes down to tornado emergencies, the National Weather Service defines this as an exceedingly rare tornado warning issued when there is a severe threat to human life and catastrophic damage from an imminent or ongoing tornado. Now, last year, across the entire United States, only 7 of these were issued. So far alone, we've seen 13 of them across the United States in 2023. Now, there is going to be a threat for the potential for tornadoes as we head off into Tuesday and early morning Wednesday, but we're going to be tracking what we call a cap in the environment. So typically when looking at the upper atmosphere, you're going to see a decrease in temperatures as you go higher with height. Well, when there's a cap, just like a water bottle, you have a cap on a water bottle. If you squeeze it, water's not going to be shooting up. You take that off, well, that water's going to be shooting back up. That's exactly what's going to happen with the environment. So that cooler air will rise up into that warmer air, and it's got nowhere else to go. It kind of just sits there until that cap can be weathered down. If that does happen, we will start to see some storms firing off into the early afternoon hours, and all severe risks are going to be on the table. So it's not a bad idea to have the ABC 17 Storm Track weather app downloaded. All you have to do is search KMIZWX in your app store. That way you can stay in the loop wherever you're at. I'm ABC 17 Storm Track meteorologist Chance Gotch.